What's up guys, welcome to today's video and we'll be discussing my 3 favorite camera lenses. Let's get it! Alright, so if I glance at my computer, it's because I have the questions right over here. So let's get right to it. Most used lens, that's going to be the 12 to 35. This is a great run and gun lens. I absolutely fell in love with this lens as soon as I got it in my possession. It's light, it has a constant aperture, it covers most of the focal length that I need in a daily basis, so I don't have to have a camera bag filled with lenses. Alright, number 2. Most undervalued lens. That would have to go to the 25mm. I mean, this thing is an absolute power horse. It's great for astrophotography, in other words, low lighting. It has an amazing bokeh, and it's only, right now in 2021, it's $150 before tax. I bought it for $250 5 years ago, and it's still top of the line for this model. All right, question 3, best picture edge to edge. That's gonna have to go to the Rokinon. I mean, this glass is absolutely wonderful. I mean, I don't exactly need the fisheye view every time that I'm filming, so I only use it in tight spaces. But besides that, it's a nice wide glass. It's very secure and strong. I've dropped it from table height before, and the glass is still fine, no broken components. So, wonderful glass, edge to edge, absolutely Rokinon. Question 4, best low light lens. I already answered that, the 25. Get it. All right, best lens for an interview. Oh, it's gonna seem like I'm favoring a lens. Again, this is gonna go to the 25. And let's put some reasoning behind this, because this isn't quite a simple answer as it should be. Best interview lenses typically involve a really low aperture, so the person that's in focus is crystal clear, and then what's in the background is very, very blurry. A lot of people perceive that as a professional production, and even though this lens is only $150, it gives you that. It gives you that Sony foreground to background cutaway, and it is fantastic. All right, next, best lens for photography. This one's gonna be a 50-50 split, and I'm divided between the 12 to 35 Panasonic or the 25mm, because the 25mm is a prime, so the prime's gonna do good in most settings with low lighting, and it's gonna be equivalent to the eye like we discussed earlier. But if I'm standing somewhere and I can't really, like, here's an example. If I want to take a shot of something across the road and I can't really stand in the middle of the road because of traffic, the 12 to 35 all day. The 25 is going to get you hit. You're going to have to use your feet. You're going to have to walk into traffic. Don't walk into traffic. But that's a perfect example of what these two lenses can do. But as far as the 12 to 35 lens goes, I love taking a picture at the full focal length. And that puts this at a 70mm. And it's absolutely wonderful. A part of the reason for that wonder is it's mostly because of the compression value of a zoom lens. And that's one thing that these 2 other lenses do not have. This is a wonderful lens, but it is a prime lens and also is a 25. So the compression value is stuck. And what that means is this is gonna be much better at a bigger focal length with compression value. And go ahead and Google that, it's pretty important, and that's why zoom lenses are fucking awesome. All right, next. Best lens in tight spaces. I think I covered this already. That's gonna go to the Rokinon 10mm. Now, why is the 12 to 35 my most used lens? I did mention this briefly, but it's my most used lens because of multiple reasons. It has in-body stabilization built into the camera. You can flip it on and flip it off. And I also have that on the GH5. So the lens has stabilization, the camera has stabilization. It's buttery smooth, handheld. It's fucking amazing. I mean, that's the reason why the GH5 is still a heavy hitter in today's market at the cost that it is. I don't have to carry around a bunch of other lenses, so that's also wonderful. Makes my camera bag much lighter. And let's see. Ooh, this one's hard. Last question. If I had to change one of these purchases out of all three of these fantastic lenses, I would buy probably not the Rokinon. Unfortunately, I do love this lens, but I bought it early on in my career, and I would have much rather purchased the Rokinon 80mm prime or the Rokinon 40mm prime. Or hell, a Panasonic 200 zoom lens. So that's that. I'll put some links down below and you can check them out quickly. And I'm not running affiliate links. I'm not doing that whole game right now, so I'm not going to give you that speech. Just check them out on your free time. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be setting up for next week's video here soon. You can't sit here and be watching these videos all day long. Get out there, people. Start filming. Okay.